Hello and welcome to Lowe's Quick Dish Soul Food. What's on the menu today is smothered fried pork chop and sweet fried corn with green onions, fresh garlic, red pepper, and a little onion, and of course the bacon. And let me introduce you to my seasoning. Let's start. Of course, I have already fried the bacon. Here's the bacon drippings, and we're gonna start frying our corn next. This is how the fried corn is looking. Look at scrumptious. We'll put the top on and just let it simmer. We're not gonna use any half and half of milk. It's gonna be fried corn. But you know what? My ancestors just telling me to put some cinnamon sugar in there. I put a little in there, but I really want to put a little brown sugar in it. We'll see. Let's check on our corn. Ooh, smelling scrumptious, looking good, cooking on low heat. I chopped up some onions. Pork chop, I cleaned them off. I'm gonna season them, batter them, and we're gonna smother them down in some homemade gravy. Wow. Guess what? With this, this is my first time cooking the corn, and I've learned throughout the years that Emmett Till's favorite meal was pork chop and fried corn. And that's just a side note. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you all. Yum, yum, look at that. Fried corn, bacon, green onions, sweet onions, a little brown sugar. Yum, yum, and some green onions. So I place my pork chop in my batter. We're gonna get ready to fry the pork chop and make the gravy. Got the pork chop going with the onions. I'm gonna put those onions out in a sec. Flip the top and keep it moving. Got corn. Yum, yum. So the chop's already done. The little onions are down in there. I'm looking at the last chop. Put that flour in there and brown it. And get that gravy going. Got those yum yums up in there. And we're gonna brown this flour. And you brown it till to your desire. But I always heard the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. And I found that to be true. The longer you cook your flour, the better it tastes. And I'm just gonna let it brown. Let it cook. I added the water, turn the flame up a little bit, And I'm gonna season it with Old Bay complete onion powder, garlic powder, a little salt, and some pepper. So we're gonna let that cook, and then I'm gonna add onions back and the pork chop and cover it up and let it simmer slowly. Look at there, smothered pork chops and the fried